Hello and welcome to episode 5 of Campfire Cooking. Today I'm going to be doing sausages with caramelised onion chutney and goat's cheese wraps. Nice and simple, a good breakfast for the campfire. So here we have it, some butcher's sausages, mini wraps, French goat's cheese and caramelised onion chutney. Get these over the fire to cook. Back out using the silver hanging cook set. Obviously you can use a pan or a grill, whatever you want. Just going to chop these in half because they're quite fat. Want to make sure that they're cooked properly.
Sorry, where are them sausages from again?
From Glave's Butchers in Brompton. Good sausages. So we'll pop these back on the fire. So now we'll just continue to cook them. Then add the toppings. I'm going to add some of the caramelised onion chutney. Just add a bit onto the top of the sausages. Now it's onto the goat's cheese. I'm just going to crumble some of this over the top. I'm just going to put a lid on and hang this back over the fire. Let it continue cooking.
Oh, yes.
So this should be ready now. There we go. Sausage with caramelised onion and goat's cheese. There we go. Simple but effective, especially these cold mornings.
Thank you very much, mate.
You're welcome.